welcome to the Twin Life. Today we will be doing the Blindfolded Slime Challenge. The way this game works is we will be blindfolded and all the slime recipes will be mixed up so we don't know which one we will grab first. Okay.
And the bad thing is we might get activator first. And if it doesn't turn out right, we'll put like whatever it needs. If it needs more glue or activator, we'll put that in and see what it turns out like if we got the right thing. So
let's get started.
First, let's see. I got this one. I don't know what it is. I know it's glue, but I don't know what color.
To go next. Sensing. Okay, I choose right here.
What'd you get?
I don't know. It's not anything.
Right
here? No, I got glitter. Oh my god. What?
Okay, so let's
pick
add
another
it.
item. Okay, Faith's gonna go.
Okay. What do I want? I'm gonna pick. Ow. No. Okay.
What did you get?
This is the contact, not contact, the other activator. More.
Baking
no,
soda?
but yeah, the baking soda.
Okay, whatever.
Okay, you go.
Joy. Wait, what? I think I want this. Joy.
Who did that? Who did that? Joy, oh, you're supposed to grab that.
Who did that? Okay. I want this.
Oops.
I was supposed to grab what?
Nothing. Okay.
Okay, your turn.
So,
What fell?
I don't know.
I think I dropped a glue. Oh well.
I'm gonna
Can we go ahead and put everything in here? Where's my glitter?
Glitter.
See, I don't like being blindfolded. I like glitter.
Shoot! Wait. Get that.
You right here? Oh, thank you. I'm gonna go ahead and put it.
Ah! Glitter. Okay, so first we're gonna add in my
fill my bowl
glue.
up. Okay.
Wait, let me pick one more ingredient. Wait, how many ingredients do you have?
2.
Okay, never mind.
I hope this is like a purple.
Wait,
I don't want purple. I really don't care as long as
wait,
it's not purple.
I forgot. I'm gonna take the lid off. It's not coming. I really hope I got a clear.
Is it my turn?
color.
Is it my turn?
Wait, I have to finish pouring things.
Let's put this in.
Okay, next I'm gonna do my glitter, and then I have to do baking soda. Okay, add that in. I don't even think I'm putting it in here.
Oh, I'm going to grab my next item.
I think that's a lot. Okay, how this time do I go?
I'm going to go
Now I
with
do this.
over here.
Okay, I think that's
I
enough.
got another glue.
Okay, now I'm gonna pick my autumn.
Is this my bowl? I hope I'm going in my bowl. Okay.
Sits here. Okay.
I hope I end up with like, I don't know, maybe a galaxy or a unicorn. Because I like this.
Unicorn pink. Galaxy. Okay, so let's open this. Oh, look at nothing.
Faith, did you get your next one? Faith, untwist it.
So I put glue, glitter, and baking soda. I have one more glue. I'm gonna see. I feel like more glitter.
This is what it looks like.
Okay. I hope this is not
down
glitter.
below if you think my slime is going to turn out really good.
Okay.
Okay.
For look. Screen
freeze. Did you get
I
your
want
next
like
thing?
a galaxy, so what I'm hoping for is a blue and a purple.
Me too. Or maybe even a pink to go with it.
Ooh.
Faith, did you picture your next thing?
Yeah, no, I got three things so far.
I thought you gotten 2 glues.
Yeah, 4 things. How many things have you gotten? I just need contact solution and then.
Can I open this? It's really hard. I'm just gonna open it, but keep my eyes.
Okay.
Who's that?
Where's the lid?
Joy? What are you doing? What are you doing?
What is this?
That's a glue bottle. It's going in my bowl.
Sticky.
What are you putting? Why are you putting glue in there? Stop backing away from me.
Got that.
Are you all in the same?
No, I'm gonna add like.
What happened to everything?
So, Hope, how many things have you picked?
Hope. I picked 3.
I picked 4. So
What
pick one
happened
more.
to everything?
What do you mean?
There was more glue. Put it back on the table.
Oh, what is wrong with you? Hope. How did you do that?
What's wrong with you? Okay.
Okay. I never did that. And I think I'm ready to start. Are you?
I don't know.
No? I want to put like 1,000 more pounds of glitter.
My eyes hurt.
Okay, so
I haven't gotten baking soda yet.
now I need my mixing spoon. Okay.
Did you find it?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna pick something.
Oh no.
What's this? I think it's glitter.
Okay, I already had my baking soda. I just need contact solution. Oh no. I need a tissue. Let's see. One
Need
second.
baking soda? Okay. Is there even baking soda on the table? I'm just gonna mix.
Okay. That's a lot of hands.
I hope I got a blue glue, because that's the glue I really wanted. Wait, we're not done yet. We still have some turns, right?
Oh yeah. Okay.
Where's the blue glue? Because I
I'm gonna
remember
get
there's
it.
like 4 blue glues. And nobody has taken some
Blue.
turns.
I think that's too much. Yep, this is not ready yet. We're gonna add some more of that. It's coming together.
Because of it.
I accidentally made it touch.
Okay, I think it's...
I really hope this is gonna be
I
pretty.
should not have done that. I think I just touched my slime and it is so...
I need more baking soda. Wait, let me see if this helps first. Yeah, I need more baking soda because it's really liquidy.
I'm going to use my hands. What is this? Somebody give me the contact soda.
Oh yeah, it's coming in together now.
Did I get a blue glue?
I hope I got a blue. We'll figure it out.
Our turns are up. Don't we see?
Okay, so I think it's time to open our map.
Okay, you ready?
1, 2, 1.
Gosh.
I got
purple.
and blue. Yes.
I didn't get the blue.
That's mine. Oh yeah. Okay.
What's
I need more context. I know baking soda.
No, I didn't get the kind I wanted. This is really sticky.
I can't believe you put your hands in there.
I'm a wild girl.
See, I'm a wild girl. Can you hand
Can
me
you get
the,
some paper towels?
whatever that's called?
Contact
Yeah, contact solution. This is
Can you
horrible.
hand me the baking soda? Because like my hands are terrible.
You want me to put it in?
Just pour it.
I can't pour it. You're gonna get too much. Just tiny.
Because I need a lot. Because I put like 2 bottles. Well, not that much.
Like, well, not that much. Only a little. Yeah, just dump your in.
Wow.
There you go. I need some more.
I'm crazy. I don't know why I use my hands.
It's coming together.
So I got 2 glitters, I think, and 2 glues.
She's already putting her hands in it.
Because I'm crazy. I need more of this.
She's not scared to go out in the wild. But when you do it like that, it's better to do it like that than just start it.
Okay, I really need some paper towels.
Shoot. No.
No?
Did I get it?
No? Oh.
It's so sticky.
I'm going to put some of this blue glitter. I just want to see
Put
what
contact solution in your hand so that when you touch it, it won't be sticky.
Did I get blue glitter? I didn't.
Did I get blue and purple? I want more purple.
You wanted to make a
Where's
galaxy.
my glitter? Glitter? Oh,
I want a blue.
glitter? Purple. Oh, I just broke it. Yeah,
That's yours.
that's it. I don't care.
And I want a purple.
We did this to our slime and it's activated, so it's not
Really pretty.
sticky.
So,
Yeah, I want to do it with my hands. It's so pretty. Like, I want my slime to be like this, but then when you
it's
like
just
leave it
glitter.
alone, it's rubbing it. It feels kind of like tough.
But
Let's start.
you can just
So, that is the end of our video.
Please like and subscribe and turn on the post notifications.
See you next time on
The Twin Life.
Bye.